Welcome to the mobile device migration guide from Good to MaaS360. I'm going to show you how to first remove Good for Enterprise and then install MaaS360. So to start, you will be at like some screen like this. You need to go into Settings. You have to go into General. Scroll down. You will see Device Management in here. Make sure you select Good MDM. Select Good MDM. And remove management. You're going to put in the 4 or 6 digit PIN code that you have on your device. And then once it asks you to remove management, you remove management. Once there's no profile, you can jump out with the bottom button and uninstall Good for Enterprise. So to do that, you hold the app, and you can actually hold any of these apps, it doesn't matter, until they wiggle, as you saw what I did, and then you push the X in the upper left-hand corner, hit delete. You will have deleted the Good for Enterprise application. Now to install MaaS360 and all of its applications, you just go to Safari or your browser, and you're going to type in m.dm/ODOT, and that's all you have to do on these devices. You don't have to. You just have to remove Good and any associated apps that Good may have on your device. So then you hit go. You'll see it take you to a portal here. At this portal, you're going to enter in your username, and that is going to be your ISD account. So you'll enter in ISD or Highway or whatever you log into your computer with. So it's AD credentials. And you don't enter in my information or password, it's your information password. Now, at this point, if you are an employee and you are setting up BYOD, you would hit employee. If it's a corporate device, you will hit corporate. So you hit corporate, you hit continue. If it gives you any errors on the next page, what that means is that you basically probably didn't put in the correct password. Once you get that in, you'll see this, and you just push continue. You're going to accept the agreement or terms, and you're going to push continue again. And then you're waiting, and then you're installing the profile. So it was just what we uninstalled with Good. You're going to hit install. You're going to allow it. You're going to hit install. Put in your 4 or 6 digit PIN code that you already had on the device. Install. And just keep hitting install and trusting until you get to the point of where it actually starts installing MaaS. So when you hit done, so now that it's completed, it tells you the status of it. You hit continue, kicks you back to your desktop. You'll see this app catalog appear. Once the app catalog is on here, you are just waiting for your applications to download. Once this prompt appears, you're going to hit install. This will basically give you a bunch of prompts for all the different apps that you're going to install, so just keep hitting install. Dismiss that you're going to edit the home screen, that's fine, it's normal. Keep hitting install. I think there's like at least 4 to 5 of these, but once you hit it, it's done. You're just waiting for the applications to download. The application where we want to set up quickly is the MaaS360 one. Right now it's downloading all the other apps, so we'll just wait on that, and once we get MaaS360, we'll open it up and set it up. Now all the MaaS360 applications have downloaded onto your device. You can open up any of them and do any kind of work. What we're going to start, basically what you need to do is open up MaaS360. That will allow you to get set up with mail, contacts, calendars. As you can see, it's going to configure. Once it gets in here, you want to allow everything that MaaS does. Just allow the contact sync and notifications and all that kind of information that you're going to get from it. So in this area, the browser, it's its own separate app, and it does open up that way, but you will be able just to click the browser and enter in your ODOT credentials. So you're going to enter in your password, what you log into your computer with. And again, don't enter mine, just enter whatever yours is. Push continue. Once it actually verifies, it'll kick you right into the browser and show you Transnet. It'll show you the intranet. And you can browse in here if you prefer to get to all your intranet information. To get out, you just push the button on the bottom, you go to MaaS360, or you can double click on the bottom and go back over to MaaS360. So you got your calendar, anything that you're going to do with the email, whether it's contact calendar or whatever, you will sync it with the same account. You're going to use your password that you log into your computer with. And once you do that, it will sync all that information for you. You don't have to put this in multiple times. As you can see, it's going to alert you. Just push continue. That's just because you're syncing contacts to your device. Once you put the password in, you will see this prompt here about welcome. You will also see some extra prompts about accessing your contacts. Just push OK, continue, hit skip. And as you can see, it went directly into the calendar because I clicked the calendar. If you want email, you would go into email. Basically, you will get a quarantine message in this system at first initial startup. So once you get that quarantine message, you're just waiting about 10-15 minutes. You will be able to get to everything within that MaaS app. So you have your browser, you have your email, contact, and calendars, and you will have your share drive. These other applications are so you can utilize or edit Word, Excel, PowerPoint via the device. You can use Skype for business on your phone. That just involves you logging in with your ODOT email address, so whatever that is, and then the password that you log into your computer with. So it's pretty much all inclusive in that kind of thing, and that is it. You have migrated your device from good to MaaS360. If you have any questions or have any issues with the migration, please contact the mobility coordinator via email at odotcellulartracking@odot.state.or.us or contact your local service desks. The ODOT service desk's phone number is 503-986-3800. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.